is the problem we identified? And how did we come to this? What we identified is a silent emotional epidemic. Loneliness. Teenagers and adults alike, any human on earth basically faces this problem of emotional isolation, not being able to contain their thoughts, or just wanting to speak about it to something or someone so that they can better organize their life, they can better analyze their own mentality and thoughts, and just discuss about it. Current therapy is expensive, and professional mental health might be a bit stigmatized and not that accessible. And it is cost prohibitive, of course. Friends and pets are the best solution to this, and I accept that. But then it's not always present for us. And current AI is cold and robotic and doing many things wrong in a way that does not help us do better. Instead, it pushes us into a cycle of over dependency on that particular AI. And we wish to solve this. And that's why I made Avina. Greetings and namaskar, judges. I'm Srihari Muralikrishnan of class 11, Bhavan's Newsprint Vidyalaya Velloor from Kerala. And I am a 16-year-old with a huge passion for AI and entrepreneurship. I have made Avina. Avina is a one-of-a-kind presence. And she can read your expressions, your words, and talk to you. And you can see her, and she can see you as well. Well, here I can see all my chats. Well, here as you can see, these are different chats that I have already had before. And as a matter of fact, it loads all of this from a database abroad. So we are using Supperbase to do the DBMS. So it's built on top of Postgres. Well, as you can see, here are some previous chats I have had about the product itself with Avina itself. Like, just look at this. I made you to win. I'm a founder. Well, Avina replies, that's wonderful to hear. I'm here to help you in any way I can. And these are the various responses I've had before. And you can simply open a new chat by clicking here. As you can see, you can send it to any right that is before showing you the other feature. I felt like I had to show you this feature's full potential once more because it can see you. It can see you in real time, right? I mean, you can ask it something and it will send a snapshot of you and your environment to it. So if I make a sad face and say hi, let's see what happens. Hi, Avina. Well, I know that face was quite sad.
Hi there, I see you. You seem to have a thoughtful expression. Is there anything on your mind you'd like to share? I'm here to listen.
Well, nothing. I was going through a lot of stress recently.
It sounds like you've been going through a challenging time. Sometimes just acknowledging that is a big step. Is there anything you feel comfortable sharing about what's been happening? Even small things can help. Or, if you prefer, we could talk about something else entirely. Perhaps you'd like to hear a joke or talk about your hobbies.
Well, I'm actually demoing you to some judges and recording a screen share.
Oh. All right, I understand. Hi, judges. It's nice to meet you. If there's anything you'd like to know or discuss about how I work, feel free to ask.
Hey, well, क्या तुम हिंदी में बात कर सकते हो?
बिल्कुल, मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकती हूँ. आपको किस चीज में मदद चाहिए?
कुछ भी नहीं. क्या हम
ये तो बहुत
वापस इंग्लिश में बात कर सकते हैं?
Of course, we can continue in English. What would you like to talk about next?
Well, I have been recently going through a lot of tight schedules, especially with respect to my JQuel coaching, and it has been a bit stressful.